Digital gear pump based liquid filling machine can fill 100 to 5000 ml liquid. It can fill low viscous liquid to high viscosity liquid. Machine can be operated on a foot switch or auto timer mode. Machine have a SS316 gear pump which can be suitable for food product as well as corrosive products like agriculture fertilizer liquids and the cleaning liquid like surface cleaner, floor cleaner, Harpic, etc. Machine comes with a shut-off nozzle or plain nozzle or the diving type nozzle as per the request of the customer. Machine has a 0.5 HP motor and a timer and a delta make variable speed drive. It's very easy to operate and clean. Machine volume can be set in the machine digitally by setting the time and speed. By setting the time and speed, we can decide the flow rate of the machine. It can fill corrosive liquids or the foamy liquids as well. This machine can also be converted to the automatic model by attaching to the conveyor and PLC controls. We can also provide a servo motor to make it more accurate, and we also have a low pump filler based on it. Good. Handicapper is small capping machine which is handheld and can be operated for any screw caps easily. The machine is lightweight and portable. It comes with the chuck suitable for the cap size of the customer bottles. Machine have a black button which we press to start the capping. The capping torque is preset. We can set the capping torque so that the cap get fully tight and there will be no further damage to the cap. The machine chuck stops rotating after the cap is fully tight. The chuck have a PU liner to avoid scratching the cap's outer surface. The machine is operating at 230 volt single phase power supply and it's very easy to operate. Tabletop induction sealer machine is used to seal the aluminum foil on the mouth of the bottle. It can be sealed on the PET bottle as well as glass bottles. The wad, which is a foil with a cardboard layer, is inserted in the cap of the bottle and the cap is fully tight on the bottle. Suitable timer is set to expose the induction waves. Machine head is placed on the cap and red switch is pressed. The timer get operated and induction waves heats the wad inside to seal it. One can open the cap to check if the foil is sealed or not. Machine is a tabletop model, light in weight, portable and operates at 230 volt single phase power supply. For PET bottle, sealing foil is the best way to stop leakage and secure your product to assure one-time use.